Come on. I've never met a better person in my life, and I don't think I ever will. So what I'm trying to say is, will you please marry me?
I don't think I'll ever get over this ever in my life.
Mumbai street food hits different, and I'm traveling back to the US soon, and I'm not gonna get this there. But ek aur bhaiya, to give you guys some context, our Tanish team is currently preparing the shot. So I was like, this is the perfect time to get my pani puri fix. Ab pet puja to ho gayi, and now it's time to meet our final proposer of the season, Shrutika, on When It Rings True. Cheers, guys. Let's go. Hi, Shrutika.
Hey.
I'm Shivani. Nice to meet you. How are you?
Oh, a bit nervous.
It's okay. We're gonna get right into it. I'm really excited to get to know you. I've heard amazing things. Tell me a bit about yourself, where you're from, what you do.
Born and brought up in Delhi. And then I went to Maika, which is where I did my MBA.
Okay.
And which is where I met the love of my life.
Ah, okay. So how did you guys exactly meet? What was your story?
So basically, we were on the football field and I was just like going for a regular day of practice. So this was my second year and his first year. There's this boy standing. I have no idea who this man is, telling people what to do without even introducing himself. And I'm just like, who are you?
Like, why are you telling me what to
And
do?
why should I listen to you? I mean, firstly, you're a nobody of sorts. Like, that was the thought in my head. So that was how we met.
That is how you met, but
Yeah.
obviously a lot happened from there.
Yeah.
Walk me through that. Like, obviously, your
Yeah.
first impression doesn't seem like it was the
Yeah.
greatest.
Yeah.
How did that evolve to now him being the love of your life?
Yeah. It was when we were traveling for Sports Fest
Okay.
to another college. I was just having like a conversation with my friends. Suddenly I look up and there's this boy just looking at me. So I just looked at him and then I smiled and then I continued the conversation.
But it was like a longer glance than
Yeah.
normal.
Yeah. So I just eventually started talking to him and then we realized, okay, we can be friends at
Okay.
least. So yeah, we'd like after the fest, we just started meeting a lot in college. So I asked him if you want to go to the canteen together sometime around 12 a.m. And then he's like, yeah, cool, we'll go. So then
In your mind, did you think it was a date?
yeah, I wanted it to
You
be.
wanted it to be.
Right. And then I thought we'll have a conversation while like sipping and eating.
Huh.
But he just kept hogging food. It was just like eating and eating. I was just looking at him like, okay. In my mind, I thought he just wanted company.
Huh.
Like he wanted somebody to go with him so that he could eat and go back. But yeah.
Who asked who out then to become boyfriend and
Okay.
girlfriend?
Yeah. So it was our first day. After that, he asked, okay, can we chill?
Yeah.
So I'm like, okay, cool, we'll chill. So we sat in my room, we spoke for hours. Like in that moment, it became like really like sweet and cozy. And I was just like, there were no words. It was just like knowing we held hands,
Mutual
I remember.
understanding.
Yeah, and I mean, we just held hands and yeah, I mean, I just knew
so
that.
I can see you blushing a little bit.
Yeah, I mean, that moment I think is extremely precious.
If you had to pick out one moment in your entire relationship where you had that ring true moment, what would that be?
So it was my best friend's wedding.
Okay.
And I wanted Apoorv to come, right? So he said, hey, I can't come, I'll get bored. And he said all of that. And I was so mad at him that he's not coming. And we had this like discussion multiple times. And then I went to the wedding. And then I was just in the lift. The lift opens. I step outside. And there is this human being just standing there. I'm shocked and I have no idea. And he made it happen. Like he just flew for a day just so that he could attend one function with me. And I think that's when I realized that this man can do anything for me.
That's
that
so
moment.
sweet.
Yeah.
You know, him just taking that gesture to be there for a
Yeah.
moment that maybe he was outside of his comfort zone, but
for
he
sure.
took that effort because he knew how much it meant to you.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Thank you for sharing that story with me. I was smiling the entire time. There were so many like cute moments seeing you guys go from like butting heads with each other on the football field to then kind of building that mutual understanding of love and care. I do want to play a fun game. We are here to plan your proposal, and hopefully we'll uncover some things of Apoorv, some things that we can use towards planning your special day.
Yeah.
It's called Just Ring It. Can we please call for the glasses? And basically, I'm going to ask you a few questions. I'm going to pull them up. And then depending on who you think the answer is, if it's you, you'll clink this one. And if it's Apoorv, you'll clink this one. Easy peasy.
Fun. Yeah.
Who gets hangry?
That would be a pool.
Yeah? He needs his food. He needs the Maggie in
all
the...
the time.
Who is more romantic? Yeah? Any romantic gestures that you've done for him?
I think we're doing one right now.
We're doing one right now. We're doing a big one right now. Anything else like in the course of your relationship?
Then I have a list on my phone which is about all the firsts that
You've
we've ever
written
had.
like everything out.
Yeah.
So it's like a diary of like how to
Yeah.
know Apoorv.
Yeah. Something of that sort.
So, first date, first picture, first I love you. This is so cute. Everything you've written. Wait, guys, in the very end, she has proposed to him, dash, and it's blank. Waiting to fill that one out. We'll
Yeah.
make sure that happens very soon.
Yes.
Super cute. Thank you for sharing that. Who is more likely to crack up when they're nervous?
I think Apoorv.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you think that's gonna be his reaction at the proposal?
I think he's gonna laugh his ass
Yeah.
off. I'm so worried that might happen.
It'll be genuine, right?
Yeah, yeah.
It'll be an authentic, reaction for him.
Yeah.
Who always wins the argument?
That would be me.
Yeah.
Because Apoorv lets me.
Okay.
So that's
how
also good.
gracious. We love a man who lets his woman win.
Yes.
And my final question, I'm excited to hear the answer to this one. Who is better at football?
Okay, that's
The honest answer.
okay. It's Apoorv. Only for tenure, I'm giving it to him.
Well, that was fun. I feel like I got to know you a little bit better, Apoorv a little bit better. But the one thing that I could pick up from your entire relationship is that football has been a very central role in your relationship. Do you kind of want to make that an element in the proposal?
I mean, I actually always wanted this to be on a football field.
The venue at the football field.
Yes, because that's where we met for the first time.
Is there
Yeah.
anything else that you've envisioned for the proposal?
I mean, I always thought it'll be on a football field, just like our family being there.
Right.
I think that would mean a lot to him.
Now, have you given any thought, how are we going to bring him to this football field without him getting a whiff of the fact that this is all happening?
So I basically told him I had a football game. My group is going to Bombay because we're going to play in the A Division League.
Okay, so you've concocted this whole
yes,
like
and
fake
he's
match.
bought the entire thing and he's just feeling proud. You're playing football, you're living your passion, and I'm just like, yeah.
Yes. It's all me, it's all me.
So yeah, I mean, it's been one hell of an excuse, and I think he's got it.
Given how unique the idea is and how special your love story is, I want to make sure that the engagement ring reflects just that. So I was thinking, let's head to Tanishq. They have a beautiful selection of engagement rings, and I feel like we'll find something that's as special to Apoorv and your story. Shall we head there?
Yeah, let's go. But would it be okay if I call my mom as well?
Of course. Is she in Bombay?
Yeah, actually, she came especially for this.
Oh, how sweet. Yeah, let's head. I will, we can call her and we'll have the team send her the location.
Perfect. Yeah,
Amazing. Let's go.
let's go.
Hi, Auntie.
Hi.
जी, I'm Shivani. कैसे हो आप?
Fine.
Hi.
Hello.
कैसा लग रहा है आपको? श्रुतिका प्रपोज करने वाली है.
बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और मुझे जब से फर्स्ट टाइम मैं महापुरुष से मिली हूँ, लास्ट जून में उसका आवाज सुना, पहले उसको वीडियो कॉल में देखा, जब इसने बोला मैंने आपके लिए दामाद चुना है.
अच्छी बात है ना, आपको स्ट्रेस नहीं मिला.
हाँ, फिर मेरा काम भी आसान किया और मुझे इतना अच्छा बच्चा मिल गया.
हाँ.
तो अब मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ. चलो, मैंने जल्दी से जल्दी अब मैंने कहा प्रपोज करो और शादी करते हैं.
Yes. इसलिए
आज आई हूँ.
किशोर जी,
चलो दिखाइए बढ़िया बढ़िया
मैं
रिंग्स.
वही दिखा रहा था. दिस इज अ बैंड टाइप रिंग्स. अभी डिपेंड है उनको कैसा अच्छा लगता है. आपको कैसे अच्छा लगता है?
I think he's more of like simple and
Okay.
like classic pieces.
थोड़ा
So I think
subtle, subdued.
Subtle, yeah. Also, I just feel that I want to buy something for the both of us and save him the trouble because
खुद ही होना just select.
I think just
It's
अगर
a
हम
great
दोनों के
idea,
लिए
actually.
देख सकते हैं.
I'll
Yeah.
just show you something which is very newly and freshly launched.
Okay.
This is a very new launch. This is the best option what I can say.
Do you like the silver and gold band?
Yeah, actually.
Even some more options.
Should I try?
Yeah, try it
There's a
on.
very nice one with the rose gold color. As you said, he is very simple.
Yeah.
So this is with not with the glossy finishing. It is with the matte finishing. So however, how it like, you can wear from both the sides. You can see
Oh.
it's very nice.
Oh,
you can just
nice.
both.
हाँ ये भी अच्छा लग रहा है. आंटी आप देखो.
This- Actually, like this quite a lot.
Very pretty. Try something else on.
Yeah.
You can start.
This is fun, na?
let's see.
You keep trying. Anything else, like a different shape? You like these on the side? Yeah, it's too blinky for you.
Too blingy. I
Too
think
blingy.
more than for me. I think
It's for him.
Yeah.
An essay, square
Yeah,
shape
this
and
I think,
circle.
Yeah, it's quite nice.
दोनों पहनने एक साथ, so you can compare. Yeah.
Yeah, I can do that. That's also nice, no?
इन दोनों में से आपको क्या लग रहा है? Yeah, even I'm liking this one.
Yeah.
It's also in the shape of a football.
Yes.
A little bit of symbolism.
Wow. We're maxing on it.
We're
I think.
maxing on it.
Yeah.
You like the collection?
Yeah, I really like the collection. I think I love
Sundar
this.
It's
Because
classic,
it serves
simple.
both the purpose, like
And I
for
think
you
this
and
is
for
also
him.
really nice. I think the whole dual thing is looking amazing.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Should we go ahead?
She needs
Should
to
we-
do a final check. She needs to do a final check.
Yeah.
But I think this is the one then.
Yeah.
Yeah,
go
let's
ahead.
have this one packed.
I'll get it done.
आंटी मुझे ये पूछना है, अपूर्व में इतने सारे क्वालिटीज है, आपको सबसे बेस्ट चीज क्या लगती है उसके बारे में?
अपनापन, जुबान में अपनापन.
हाँ.
और बल्कि वो तेलुगु सीख के तेलुगु गाना गाया उसने.
How sweet.
Yeah. So he just wanted to impress mom.
हाँ.
So it's like, okay, I'll sing Srivalli in Telugu for mom.
I like it.
And
Very
she recorded
So
the whole
much
thing.
sweet,
She
right?
sent it on our family group.
सबको आपने मैसेज
yeah,
दिया.
सबको and
मैं
yeah.
अक्सर सुनती हूँ.
Yeah.
उसका गाना सुनती हूँ बल्कि ओरिजिनल नहीं.
What else are you excited about for the proposal?
So I think the best part
Huh.
is all our loved ones are going to be there, and he has no
Everyone's
idea.
gonna be cheering.
Yeah.
And he has no
Yeah,
idea
no
that
idea.
जो सारे
No.
लोग मैच के लिए आए हैं
Yeah,
actually to
yeah.
watch him
Yeah.
and see his reaction,
Yeah, so I
not
think-
to see you play.
Yeah, so I think that's going to be the best part. And like he's been telling people that I have this match, so he's
Huh.
thinking that everybody will be there for that. So
Hi.
I'm so excited.
Hello.
Sorry to keep you waiting.
No, not at all.
Your ring is ready.
Beautiful.
Love it.
Love it.
Very nice.
It's perfect. Thank you.
Okay.
Let's head. Thank you. Thank you, Kishorji. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
We just got to the football field, and I'm gonna be honest, I don't know much about the sport, so I'm gonna heavily rely on Anoop from our Tanish production team, who's gonna walk me through what's happening today. Hi, Anoop.
Hi.
Good to finally meet you.
Pleasure.
Hi, Shrutika. How are you feeling?
I am feeling nervous,
Yeah.
excited, a little jittery, but I think I'm good.
Amazing. Give me the plan. What's going on today?
We have staged a match. Shrutika is going to be in the yellow team, as you can see.
Yeah.
And there's going to be blue team. And then she will propose him somewhere out here.
Anoop, I said I wanted that personalized touch. Did you get that to happen?
Of course I did. So we got this massive banner.
Are we gonna get a sneak peek right now?
Not now, but it's going to get revealed on the queue. So
Okay.
once she goes down on the, and voila, we're going to get that massive
Amazing.
reveal.
Thank you so much. Good
Thank
luck
you.
to you, Shrutika.
Yeah, I
I'm
need it.
sure. I'm sure you're going to score that goal, and we're all going to be cheering for you.
I need it. Come on.
क्या करूँगा? ये क्या हो रहा है? अरे very good.
Okay, there's some.
अरे तो खेल रहे हो? हाँ?
If you've not figured it out,
हाँ?
let me spell it out for you.
हाँ?
Do you know that day?
हाँ?
We went for our first date. We've been trying for months. That date? That's when you told me you love me. And you told me you're the love of my life. This is when we took the best trip. That date? That's when we told them and all of them met. I thought I'm going to talk a lot, but you spoke a lot. You managed them. So what I'm trying to say, that I've never met a better person in my life. And if you let me, I will ensure that you spend the rest of your life loving that decision. Will you please marry me? Where's the ring? Good time.
Oh my god.
I am still processing. I don't know. This is not me. This is completely Jazz. This is beyond me. I am just speechless right now. And wow, I think I don't think I'll ever get over this ever in my life. You all aren't playing.
Really thought all of us came together to watch football or what?
At first, I thought it was crazy because I didn't know how Apur would take it. So we both were kind of apprehensive in the beginning, but it turned out to be so beautiful.
अपूर्व परफेक्ट मैच है श्रुतिका के लिए, इससे बढ़िया बेटा मैं उसको ढूंढ के नहीं दे सकता.
No, it's a perfect match because for Apurv's football is his life, and Shrutika, she is also a footballer, so it's a perfect match.
What a proposal to end our season with. Shrutika and Apurv's genuine expressions, the football match, and just to see their families join in the celebrations. It has been such a fulfilling experience to create these dreamy proposals, and I'm so proud of our Tanishq team for the work that they've put in. We wish all four engaged couples a beautiful life ahead. If you enjoyed this episode, please like and comment with your favorite moment, and you stand a chance to win a gift from Tanishq. We'll see you soon with another couple in love.